myself.
A mango.
Did he go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And do you have your costume on?
Yeah.
What kind of costume do you have on?
A base.
A what? Hey, what kind of costume is that? Are you a ladybug?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Come on, let's go see Grandma. Come on, let's go see Grandma and show her your ladybug costume. Can we go see Grandma Mutt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, come on, let's go.
Puppy.
Yes, the puppy will be there. Yes. Okay.
She's got that figured out.
A duck.
Yeah, a ladybug? Yeah, do you see a ladybug? Yeah. Who's that?
Abby.
Abby, yes. That's a picture of my Abby. Okay. Do you want, let's see, where's that puppy? Where's that puppy? Okay, come on, let's go.
Papa.
Where's that? Oh, there's that puppy. Over there.
Look at the dog's tail going. Come here, sweetheart. Abby wants to say hello. I wonder if she would be better if we stand on the couch.
What's wrong?
Wow.
Disney's One Saturday Morning, Saturdays on ABC.
Kai. I feel like Kai. I feel Kai. Message.
Message.
No messages.
She puts her hand on it as she wants to lift it, but then she looks at Grandma.
What are you doing there?
Trying to drive the operator nuts? Huh?
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
messages.
It's very
Yeah,
big.
sure will take phone work for you.
And that's a bigger.
Nope.
I made it.
Don't bang it. Don't bang it.
I see bucket.
Hang it up,
No,
please.
Abby.
Hang it up.
No, Abby. No, you great kid. No.
That's message.
Message? Yeah.
No.
Let's.
I
Oh.
We have to hang up once in a while, okay? Because otherwise the operator will call us and yell at us.
message.
Message?
I feel big guys.
No messages.
Guys.
I'm sure the operator...
Who are you talking to?
Out the door.
Auntie Jill? Is that who you called?
Or a big guy.
No messages.
Come here. Come here.
I'll tell you what.
Come here? It is there. It's right there in front of you.
If it's that good, I'll
No,
buy
don't
you
take it
one
off the
for
table.
Christmas.
Don't take it off the table. Leave it on the table.
Boy, you should look like your mom.
Leave it. Hey, don't you be hitting me.
I see mommy.
No messages.
Okay. All right, let's hang it up and finish up with that, shall we?
Sorry.
Shall we?
Sorry. 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 Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oops.